First, locate the in port of the pump and insert one end of the pump tubing into the push fit connector. Then, connect one end of the pump control cable to the two center terminals of the pump controller. On the rear of the BAM 1020, insert the other end of the pump tubing into the vacuum port push fit connector. Now, locate the pump control terminals and connect the other end of the pump control wires. You can now power up the BAM 1020, and you will see it run through its boot up sequence on the front panel display. Insert the sample inlet tube on top, followed by the PM10 head. Now to load the filter tape, open the front panel door by pushing in the top right hand corner. Remove the spools either side by hand. You will need to ensure the nozzle is in the up position. If not, go to the front panel. Press Test. And using the arrow keys, select a line. Then press Select. If you are prompted for a password, enter F1, F2, F3, and then F4. With nozzle highlighted, press Select, and then press up to move the nozzle. Keep pressing Exit to return to the main screen. Now load the new filter tape on the right hand spool, as follows. Also, ensure the rubber take-up wheels are latched in the up position to allow the filter tape to feed through. Make sure to fit a spare cardboard tube from a used filter tape onto the take-up spool. Now affix the end of the new filter tape to the cardboard tube with some sticky tape. Feed the tape on the take-up spool a turn or two to ensure a good mechanical bond. Now release the latch on the rubber feed wheels. And refit the spool holders by hand. Ensure they are tight. Now you will need to run the self-test routine. Press tape, followed by self-test. The BAM 1020 will now tension the filter tape and check its other mechanisms. Once the self-test has completed, you will see on the display that all the tests should show OK. Now to prep the BAM 1020 for sampling, press Operate, followed by Normal. The BAM will start sampling on top of the hour. After a period of time, the nozzle will require cleaning due to a buildup of filter tape debris. To clean the nozzle, set it in the down position. Then lever the nozzle up with your finger. And using a cotton bud, wipe along the nozzle edge. Periodically, you will need to clean the PM10 head. To do this, unscrew the rain jar and empty any rainwater buildup. Then, unscrew the PM10 head in the center to allow access to the impactor plate. Using a wipe, remove any dirt buildup. Screw the PM10 head back together. And finally, screw the rain jar back on.